How to lock WhatsApp chat. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to lock a specific conversation on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. So after you open up your WhatsApp, go and search for the person that you want to lock your chat with him. So let's say I want to lock my chat with this person, this one, Bro Ahmad. So tap on it. So after you tap on the person, all you have to do is just tap on this his name at the top. Scroll all the way to down. Tap on this chat lock. Tap on it. Tap on this continue. Now it will ask you to use your fingerprint or you use your face to lock the chat. I will use my fingerprint. So as you can see now, the chat lock has been turned on. So now all you have to do is just tap on this back arrow again. So as you can see now, I can be able now to see the chat. So if you want to see the chat, all you have to do now, scroll your WhatsApp chat down like this. So as you can see, here is the chat now. Tap on this lock chat. So now you must use your fingerprint to open the chat or your face lock. So as you can see, here is the chat. So now if I tap on it, so now I can be able now to continue my conversation with the person. That's it guys on how to lock chat or how to lock WhatsApp chat. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.